To see your contacts, click Contacts in the navigation bar. Then, click All Contacts. I'll close this notification for now, and to add a single contact, just click this New Contact button. Then here, you can add your contact details. On the left, you can skip down to each section of your contact details. You can add sales and purchase defaults for your contact. And once you're happy with your details, save and close. To go back to our list, click Contacts here. I'll refresh, and you can see our test user. Normally, you don't want to add contacts one by one, so to import a list of contacts, go to the three-dot menu and click Import. Here, you'll be given some import instructions, and Xero gives you a template to help with the import. Go ahead and download this template. Find the template in your downloads and open it up. It will look like this with all of your column headers at the top, and then you'll go ahead and enter all of your contact details. When you fill it in, it might look something like this. In fact, I've actually exported this from the demo company. I'll go back to Xero, scroll down, and then select the file that I want to import. For me, I'll select that contact sheet. I'll ignore the empty fields, and then click Next. On the import summary page, you'll have some warnings flagged. You should fix anything that is incorrect, but in this case, I'm okay with these for now. Then click Complete Import. Once your import has finished, you'll see the list of new contacts here. Within the Contacts subtabs, you'll see Smart Lists here. These will be more helpful as you have data, where you can select lists of different customers, and you can also create groups. Under the Groups dropdown, click New Group. Then give your group a name, and click Create. Once your group is created, you can select any contact, and you'll see the Add to Group button light up in blue. Click the dropdown, and then select the new group we just created. Then click Add. You'll get the confirmation here, and if we go to Groups and view that test group, we can see that contact.